my great people of Edo Kingdom, the great Edo United Movement, come greet to now. Say today don't come. Say we still talk about our land. We still talk about small for our country. Because there's no place like home. So I say me I call it to know say today we will talk about why Nigeria never come a great country. Nigeria is a great country, but why it never come a better country? Now be this. Now we want to talk about today. So everybody, make una share this video, and may we share this video with our friend. This is a very nice message. Why Nigeria never come a better country for all those whys. So we want to know some things from people, from idea what people want to talk about why Nigeria never come a great country. Because a great country survive its citizen, make good of their citizen. So that make a great country, not country, the population, not the population. Is the income and the economic of the country that's make a country a great country. So I agree to now my people. More we listen to our brother Junior on it's okay. I greet the also make he see give us some advice about some of our sister will not get respect for husband house. I agree to now. More listen oh. Everybody, make una share now. Today we want to celebrate about why Nigeria never come a great country. Why Nigeria never better since all those why killing, bloodshed, different things happen. Now we want to talk about today, my people. So stay with me and share the message around the global. I give to my people, one love for the asshole. I stay with you now.
He may say we give you one song, and I'm in here. Routine in the world. Oh, then I go make one, maybe set this to sell, and I never want your soul. Oh, then I go make one, set in the water. He never want your one day.
Yes, my people, I agree to you.
I got to meet your girl, he made us so that day.
Mona share out. You get like 3 minutes.
I got to meet your girl, nobody that go away.
And let's discuss about important things, you know.
Oh, for no man good in it, no man begging your son. I will take a walk on it, you're done here, my way. It's a way you're yelling, tell me you're yelling, and I'm gonna do that in a Casabigo. He may say we get your water, and I'm in here, who did you very well? Oh, man, I'll go make one, maybe set this to sell, and I never want it so. Oh, then I'll go make one, maybe set it in your water. He never want you one day. I got to meet your girl, he made us on a day. Then you set it to say, the coca for water. I got to meet your girl, he made us on a day. Then you set him who goes on the piano. Oh, no, my good evening, no, my baby, your son. I will take a while, my baby, you're Johnny on my way. Oh, no, my good evening, on my baby, your son. I will take a while, you're Johnny on my way. Oh, what I just said on that bottom, I
agree to that, my people. Mona share the people, Mona share. Fake news. So Mona share. Today, you get time to discuss about. So my people, I agree to now once again. There's a reason why I want to talk this issue, and I want to send this message to everybody in Nigeria. You be Benio, you be Edo, anywhere in Nigeria. So why is purpose for we to really understand ourselves, understand why we all are Nigeria, while we all and we are together, we supposed to know that yes, there's a place how Nigeria started. That one the first thing we never make Nigeria better, because why they say without no head, you know, if it be tail, you know, if you get tail, where head no day. You understand? So the point why Nigeria never better, may we not forget say yes, we get one king when he sacrificed himself for us. Whether they call our king Ovorame, Nogbasi. The meaning of Nogbasi may be the king of the whole world. King Ovorame Nogbasi. So why I want to talk this message, may we all know why Nigeria, because why we overlook so many things for that country. Now make things they spoil every time. But we all Igumo dey listen to ourselves. One, that one are the first thing when I always talk every time. Mr. Dudu man, I greet you, my brother. You are welcome. So that is the issue. Now, King Ovorame, when the British people come invest Edo State, good. He sacrificed himself for the whole Nigeria citizen, but they don't know say all the whole Nigeria citizen. Neither man that king fight for. He fight a very good fight for us. Now there, now he pass. The problem of it, now I want to talk now. He good made that they celebrate that king day for the whole Nigeria. King Ovorame, Nogbasi, Oba Ovorame, is a king, is a hero king. Oba atop be, he said, what talk about be? And you know je wewu. Ewu kere uvekere. So he good make all the whole Nigeria, especially the Edo people. May we they get the day when we they celebrate and all the whole Edo go block. Military go full everywhere. Then this referendum go make people now really know that yes, we value what happened and what that king do for us. Oba Ovorame Nogbasi. Oye gbehin aleke nima. If not be King Ovorame, therefore not be Nigeria. Una go remember now say may the root of Nigeria make una know how the Nigeria started. If the whole Nigeria citizens know how Nigeria started, we go know the problem of Nigeria. King Oba Ovorame, he sacrificed himself for the root of Nigeria to grow. But nobody know what is really going on now. Because why we not they celebrate that man day, all the old citizens will be children. All Nigeria citizens, Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, will be children. Now he make us no say yes, Nigeria, they exist. If not be King Ovorame, Oba Ovorame, how come Nigeria? Now when they carry go Calabar, not be when they carry go Calabar, now that is thankfully Otona Warrior. No. It stay so many years for there. They keep on there to make sure say they come Nigeria can't do their work. That mission where they come for. That was the white people. You understand? They keep in there because they know say is a man like them, but they know say not be ordinary person. Because why they see something inside and waiting they perform too. You understand? So they keep in there to come back to the full Nigeria to come and do event for waiting they come for. You understand? So on behalf of that man, on behalf of that Oba Ovorame, now they come share Nigeria and make una go share am. Now why use this one tell all Edo people now? Make una go check am for the whole BB rank when he full the whole Nigeria. Apart from when the whole Nigeria now does scatter, now they come put Oshomole for APC chairman. APC now the line of to come repair Nigeria. So now evil party. So anybody when they put there for there, it not be high. 90 day there. That one are the clear matter, not be high. So You see where those people now they can't invest again now because of the privilege wey be say yes they get from the British people. Now that they use for us now because why now they be the people when they loyal pass for the white people. These are Hausa people so. And these are Hausa people, now if you see look at now, the Fulani people we call the rider Igbo, Yoruba, Wazobia. Now they bring come out. We the Edo will not be Nigeria. We not say so. Because why where they create that in Nigeria, no one black person did there. Who say black person did there where they plan and say see how they want to do Nigeria. Make it come out. And my people, if you want to call, there's that number where they there. You can call through that WhatsApp. And please, nobody should call on Facebook. Nobody should call on Facebook. You can call that WhatsApp. Then people will listen to you. People will hear you clear what you said and everything. You can call that WhatsApp if you have anything you want to discuss or you want to enlighten us. You want to enlighten the world. Please come out and you can say anything you want to say. But now, the main issue now is this. The problem of that Nigeria, we need first thing to celebrate our lost people. We be say yes, he really fight for that land. One, Oba Ovorame Ogbasi. All the whole Nigeria need to celebrate am. He want am. He suppose to create a day. Make Nigeria create a day. Especially the Edo people. Make they create a day. Make they celebrate am. From there, the United go come. Because why? Now the message of that one, now be waiting to say more talk about. So make una all get am for me say that day of Ovorame, and most of our people now we dey everywhere around the whole world. So they celebrate Edo Junior ending of the year. So they celebrate ending of year party. But there's no body wey be say don't bring this thing out. Say yes, more they celebrate that our Oba Ovorame. May we dey celebrate the day. Because why he blood na it make Nigeria. He blood na it make Nigeria. Come Nigeria. So on behalf of the country create Nigeria, you say we the Benin people we not there. We the Edo people, why be say now everything they happen now for the Nigeria. The Fulani S-men now where they come now they destroy the plan of people, destroy people joy. And one make person come at me tell me the reality things so we say yes, we go do about those things. You understand? Because why this Fulani S-men, it can't be something we be say yes, they can't take granted for us. You understand? So there are so many villages now where they cry come out and say even they don't want to share boundary with them for their own land. So may we look into those things and we go know say yes, all those areas so when we talk about this Fulani S-men, they are really evil in that land. They don't want anything celebration, they don't want anything joy in that land except only what they wish. So if we started they overlook those things, it will come a very rough position for us. We'll be say yes, we know if we create on. So my people, wetin make Nigeria never better. Who have the idea? You can say something, but go remember say at the time when we say yes, the traditional ruler that they rule. No citizen wey dey fight themselves. There's nothing called Nigeria. Moon and no go remember that, and everybody get peace. Because it get time where Benin they call at that time, they'll say Ekmini, Itoy. It get time where they use those money. Everything was peaceful in that land. So I use this opportunity to let everybody know and say this Fulani S-men, e don't tell where the kick they come since where the Nigeria get the independence, and it look when they start to overthrow the key they come. So this killing of a thing now, not be today they start up. So we overlook so many things. Now be the main topic of today. we dey overlook so many things na make things dey spoil for our hand for that Nigeria. Now mo leave that Nigeria issue because now say we will talk about that our Nigeria just little words, you know, because why Nigeria issue not too concern me because now we not be Nigeria, now be the issue. Because why our name not join Nigeria list. Our name not join Nigeria list. May Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, may they think am. If una like, una go kill una self. Destroy anything una like for that country. We not be Nigeria. Make una not carry una country the warriors. Now wetin see there our land. Now I see the carry the comot go the stuff on our land. The Fulani S-men. So now enough is enough for all Edo people now to overlook everything. We no fit just dey like that, my people. We no fit dey. And if you look am, e get some area where be say yes, we dey support that Nigeria. So e get some area. There are no how many where of oil where those states get, of which the whole as Nigeria, the money where they make for that Nigeria be like say they no dey make any, they no dey do anything for that country. Why it be like that? So now what una for there una go reason things about about these things when I talk about now. You know say yes, there is truth inside that matter. This very matter when I talk, so there is truth inside. There's waiting go make us go forward. If we believe ourselves, we not overlook anything again. We not overlook anything where we say yes, it concern those the Fulani S-men. May all the old youth multiply, may they bam up, may they face this, they may they drive overnight before they go begin react. This is not the first thing we supposed to do. Now all the old youth, now the today topic now be that one. All the old youth need to bam up. May they rise up. No need to wait for anybody. We no want to know whether you be this one, you be this one, you be this one now. I beg, may everybody put that shirt for ground now. The revolution where would they talk about now? The revolution, it get different way. Even the revolution, it get different way. This one now, this one not be revolution. This one now, attack. Because now, any person will come to share your house with you, your house where you use your own money build. Where you be say, yeah, you dey sleep with your family. You will not say now attack be down, even they never kill you. Point to kill already there. Because why your own property don't they share am with you. So, Edo State is on fire, my people. Edo State is on fire, my people. All the old youth, make una wake up, make una bam up, make una go bam up. That area corner, make una dey go before we be say yes, una dey do things. We be say, I don't want to make sure that area, you know where they talk they go. Make una go that area now, make una go the bam up. I know now say, our governor now, the thing don't reach where he did. Because before he cry, come and say, Adam Oshomole, they don't use and say, make him come share money with them. You know say now. He said, don't say and say now Edo State is on fire. He don't say and say how long we go begin live like this? Like a slave. How long we go begin live like this? They say that man not see the man not working, not try. But if there's area where be say somebody go do something, you go see praise am. So that he go get more effort to do another one. More just forget say road not good, this one not good, this one not good. He get many things when he walks past road and light wey we come day today. Person when he dey house, he not get free liberty. It be like somebody will be say they hang the neck for something. Now we can't be down. Our own land that they share am with us with bloodshed. Then we dey overlook. No. And I so thank those youth. The last video when I do, everything when I talk, now it really go on. Yes. I beg make una see take this one now. Now e get one village now where they say Fulani S-men, they just carry wood cross the center of the village. Somebody just let me know now. Odigi village, good. Odigi village. I bet any Odigi person you hear this matter, so come and may you tell us how that area take happen, and so that we will know what to do. You understand? They said now they carry wood cross a whole village. When I come and say Papa, Mama dog did there for many years, 1,000 years. You know, when I go carry wood, but that not be oppression, my people. That na civilization. Now point of death now we dey, so living at that's living at death. Life and death now we dey. We dey live, but it can't be like say we not dey life again. So all Edo youth, this na the time we be so now take bam up. Make una go any area. Una go bam up, not be to come fight una self again. Now no, una drop those area now. Because where we not feel make sense this time. Now their things now they lost. Because why would over too much look something? My people, I use this opportunity to let una know say yes, right there for us now. Every support there for us now. For we to do anything. Osas Gold, I greet you. You are welcome, my sister. I just here now. So the actually thing what we're supposed to do right now, may we all join our hands together now. May we make sense for people's eyes. May they really know say yes, this land, not just the land where we say yes, anybody go to tent. You understand? Those that waiting will be say yes, they happen before we be say yeah, we take get proud where we dey. And I want to let you know, some of people will be say yes, that they throw matter, talk things, they go our big house. Because why not be everything small pikin they talk? Anybody where they do all those kind of they throw man, they go our big house. I want to let you know say, Mr. Tony Napo, I greet you, my brother. You are welcome. So you go know say if not be our Oba where they toss now say the wayward citizen where we get, we call them wayward citizen. They don't know themselves. Even if you look 100% of them, they are not original Benin or original citizen of Benin. Igodo, no. You understand? I miss blood. You understand? Then you now know say now Waba be only respect we will get now. If not be say we not get up, but after that when the British come for the guideline where British give those people and everything, give Igbo and Yoruba. As he give Igbo, as he give Yoruba, as he give Hausa. Now let Yoruba based on the help where our Waba do for the that time. Now make them see they respect us. Now make some see the Yampata now. You understand? Almost AG, I greet you. You are welcome. So I greet you, my brother. So you see, you go no say yes. Things where we talk about Great Edo United Movement. Now word will be say yes, we go see for front. We know they talk anything will be say not day online or na fake news. No. If not be our Oba, waiting that people where they call Nigeria for use our highway be Benin, Edo people high see. Now let the rest people will get not be that one. Now we see get Oba, see the way that they treat us. For the Nigeria, no power where we dey, no power. This Oshomole, na Belgium there, they use her against us. Mr. Clef, I greet you. You are welcome, my brother. You know, this now the kind of people will be say yes, we supposed to we go push them away from that Nigeria. We will tell them say now we be this town before because we don't overlook everything. We know they take anything serious. Then now when they come kill everybody finish, now we want to rise. No. Now today's topic, may all the old youth attack una for the one una do before. When I talk say, make una strike back for that girl where be say they call where the key, they shook in neck like cow where they train. But yes, he never reach following money. Una return back. Yes. Now my job be that one. This is the job. Great Edo United Movement. Those are the way we say we don't see now say we don't see the kind of youth we will get. Now we don't turn and say we will support una for everything. Everything. Because why this thing not pass, be careful. You understand? Anybody where they use debt, they tempt you, you go follow with the debt. You gonna want me to come kill all your children for your eyes. So those are the issues wey we dey talk about now. Now the issue of today now be say all the old youth make una go bam up. Make una find any other means wey be say yes and una take get touch to create Edo United movement. Our number dey there. Anybody wey want contribute inside this issue, make you call that WhatsApp number. You go talk, everybody go hear you. Fine. So my people, I really appreciate the last work una do. So now the Fulani herdsmen, that Odigi village now be the waiting make this topic now come strong today. Say how people go come out say they be Fulani herdsmen, come carry wood like border, come cross person boundary. Say this one na Fulani herdsmen, this one na for Odigi village. Impossible. Wetin we dey wait for? When those things dey happen for our eyes? So my people, na the message when e come for today. Abeg that village, make una go guide that village. Anywhere una hear say these people dey, make una invade that place quick. Make una no dey wait. Because why Edoya bitan where owo iyan we na ri aiwa. Araze wa dolo iyan na we na ri aiwa. Nunda we adolo a te gwalo betinya ma gwalo eberi o. I greet you. Mr. Sars, I greet you. You are welcome. So wetin we dey try talk now be say all the old youth need to bam up. All the old youth need to join together. So no be time we be say yes we go dey overlook things. And now for our right now to do something when it dey more important for our citizens. Now the time that we dey so. This now wetin go fit give us joy, give us privilege to know say yes now we really get that state Edo land. Igodo Edo no binu. So I beg every of my people, my family, make una join our hand together. Make una not let this fight come over us. Because now that they ready they come now. No matter more I know say that Edo na the center of all the Nigeria. No matter anywhere they want go, they must pass that place. Without we not strong, guide ourselves now. You see and say that fight before they go to pass, they go any other places. Now we go fair the be say yes, and go come fair the collect. So now make me talk and I say this is not the time where we are now. Go sit guide where we join our hand together. We make sure say yes, we join the great Edo United movement to clear all the old corruption in that land. Anything corruption to wipe all away. And I want to make una understand one thing concerning this our Edo. Una know say Edo na get the first airport in that Nigeria, but many people don't know that our airport is the first airport in that Nigeria as a whole. Make una go look history, una go know when time of that of Obavorame they happen. Now everything today now that place. That time they use that plane where be say they go run, come all left for ground. You go carry the night they drop from there that time. You understand? Because they close to palace. The first hostel now we get them. Now our land here now they get the first hostel. They can't be saying now Badagry now government come put and say now be the first hostel. How? So to tell you say they really impress us. They just can't. They be one who wipe us away from that land. Now based on say the king we will get is a human like you, but not just honorary person. Now make us get respect for that land today. Because why so many things go wrong, we be say yes, we too overlook. We not follow up. You understand? So everything we be say now, we dey talk about now today. Now the idea will be say yes, wetin we don see and wetin we dey experience to do. So this is a Fulani herdsmen of a thing. Na so we all overlook them. Make up be say yes, now before you know wetin dey happen, the population wey dey take dey come, all those roads wey dey pass dey come, make our governor put military there. At least if any Fulani herdsmen don pass 2-3 for inside bus, make dem drop them down. Na so dem dey do am for their place. Make dem drop them down. Make dem put boundary for that our border. Make we get border. If we get border, then for there we go fit dey, make we try to dey do security now for our land. How we want to do security? Not be to pack soldier full everywhere. To make a border for each places. You understand? To make a border for each places. Now be wetin go make security for us. You understand? So my people, I use this opportunity to let una know say make una try, make una join our together. So e get wetin I wan show una now. E get one video when I wan show una. Make una just give me time. Make I take do something now. Una observe say yes, na real. Now they try make una understand say this time don red. We all need to be stand for our feet. As I talk to now, so we get so many people who will be say yes. We dey arrange now to send go house. You understand? To send go home. So that they will fit do something for us. So may I make una understand one video. I want to show una one video now. Because this video, anybody will see this video, it will make me understand wetin he observe for there. Mr. Dudu, you want call inside? Okay. Mr. Dudu, I greet you. I greet you. Mr. Dudu. Mr. Dudu, man, you can speak. They hear you. Everybody, they hear you. Hello? Okay, you can cut it and call back. Maybe the network is not okay for you to make the call. Oh, yeah, you can call again. Hello? You can make the call again. So those are the area we are really talking about, my people. Because it good make this now the time we be say no time for rotty mango, no basket for rotty mango. Because why this thing we look say now, so we just do it. This is not the time we all be say yes, and we all finish your thing because why we will get our own free liberty. Mona, give me time. I agree to now. Mr. Dudu, you can call. We are listening to you. Call so that maybe you get what you want to contribute for inside the issue. Oh yeah, we go listen to you. We greet you, Baba. Let's say the networks are not too good. I can see. But actually, maybe you will call back again. You understand? So for all those area, we really need people that will go to encourage us good. People will go to put us through what to do and make everything so that it will be more possible. Hello? Hello? We are hearing you. You can speak, Mr. Dudu. Hello? We are not hearing you. Mr. Dudu, we are not hearing you. I think you can call back again. So, my people, so let me show you the video I want to show so that you can understand much. I greet you all. So, why we all are really together, we are together, one brother, one love, and one sister. You know, we all be. Mr. Dudu.
Hello.
Yeah. We are hearing you now. We are hearing you.
By God's grace, because like what you are saying, we are okay. So, like a bad Nigeria, we need the Nigeria to be okay, and we need those.
I bet if anybody know the year, make it right. Come and say no the year more. Oh yeah, continue, my brother.
So we want those states to be okay, to the way we like it, because the way everybody is in outside, this one go here, this one go here. No, if those states is okay, nobody will go outside, so everybody will be happy.
Okay.
So thank you the way you let people know that what is happening. So I thank you very much.
Okay. That is your opinion. And where are you calling from? And tell the.
I'm calling from Italy.
Okay.
I'm calling from Italy. I'm calling from Akona area.
Okay, you are welcome, my brother. Thank you. The whole world here, you say yes. Say Edo State. Say we need to be great again. We united, we stand. Divided, we fall. That one are the normal. And as we don't make this platform to people, may everybody use our body join us. We get so many things where we they do. Not just say we dey here, just they talk, we they talk. No, not be talk, we they talk. Oh. Everything as he say we they do here, all na reality, waiting we they do. Mr. Festus Osawe, I greet you, you are welcome. So the whole issue is this. Not just say we dey talk here. We are doing something. Anything you see say we dey talk here, we are very serious people. We not be people wey be say they make math. I believe say some people wey dey know me, yes, we know say yes. This our brother wey dey talk so definitely. Oga boss, you go hold on. Oh, somebody dey line. So when he finish, then I go bring you in. Just hold on, Oga boss. I beg you, no vessel. And please, nobody should call Facebook. If you want to call that WhatsApp line, please. So, Mr. Dudu man. So, if you see have more opinion, let everybody know so that we all join our one together. Can't gather the opinion. We know what to do.
Mr. President, I respect. More opinion are still coming, and what I know, and I will say it now.
Yes.
So, if you see, like the way we are doing our organization to help our people, so God will bless everybody that have a good mind about it. So. Everywhere you bring out a money, God will help you, everybody, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Over talk where he said. So, follow by and by my affair. Na here we are is way. Even I tell me na imwese.
Okay.
So no pa oyo be na bono wa be important na awa ka so na we amana so I finish it.
Okay.
When you don't start, you don't start. And when you start it, it must be finished.
Yes, that is true.
In the mighty name of Jesus Christ.
Amen.
So I just beg everybody that is online today that what we want to do, and let everybody be very serious. It's not a play matter. This is a very serious matter, and we are serious on it, and we are serious on it. In the name of Jesus Christ, it's not by our power.
Yes, sir.
So, I greet everybody.
Yes, sir. Mr. Dudu man, which advice you can't get for our youth now? We be say they will do now. We be say yes. Everybody now will get say yes. We all stand with the
For my advice now is now we have to create a job for everybody. We will create a job, create a work for people, because if anybody that is hungry, anything you say, he can do it because he's hungry. So if anybody is not hungry, there is nobody will come out, will go out and go and do anything stupid. So if you see this Europe we have, I'm talking from Italy. So this Europe we have, it was not found in a day. It's somebody that come out that this country must be like as even we, if we are not even heritage, but our children will be enjoying it. It's a good something.
Of course.
Look at
Yes.
Airport. It's somebody that find it.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
It's somebody
sir.
that find it. You understand? So that is what I'm just thinking this thing. Somebody that find a train, somebody that find that a flight, somebody that find a car, somebody that say it's somebody that done all those things. Then they're not doing it for themselves. They do it for everybody.
Yes.
Because even they're not doing it, even though they are the one to enjoy it. No, they do it for everybody. Can enjoy it. So that is what we Africa we have to look. We have to think about. At least you are not doing it for yourself. Because like as our president and governor they are doing, carry a thief money, go and drop it in outside. It's not, you are not opening a company for people. You are not doing anything. You don't have any idea for people. No. So I beg my brother, I beg my sister. So we are to do. We are not doing it for ourselves now. We are taking a future. Our children they will enjoy it. They will know that their father tried. The name will be there. You understand?
Yes.
So
yes.
that's what I want to tell my people. I greet everybody.
Well, we greet you, Mr. Dudu. Thank you so much, and your opinion is granted. And we have to do. Let me bring some of our brother that they come. They want call inside. So, Oga boss, let me call you inside the issue, and I think it will be okay like that. You understand? So, Mr. Dudu, we don't hear you. Thank you, and you are blessed.
Thank you, my president.
So, my people, una see wetin we dey really try talk about. This is na the time wey we all go dey serious about really things wey we dey do. Mr. Dudu, you come back again? Yeah, okay, yeah, yes. Okay, yeah. Oga boss, let me call you. Let me bring you inside the show and let everybody hear your opinion. You are welcome. We all need to be very, very, very serious this time and be very know what we are doing. Not just you just dey Nigeria, e be like say you don't know wetin you dey for, you don't know anything they do. Oga boss, you go to call WhatsApp, you understand? You go to call our WhatsApp number. You understand? Call our WhatsApp number. Okay. Oga boss. So, wetin you get for our youth now wey be say they go take get peace for the land?
Sir?
I say wetin you get for our youth now wey be say they'll take get peace for the land?
For the youth?
Yes, I say wetin you get about this thing wey the topic wey they talk about. Wetin you get, how shall advice you get for our people wey be say yes? And tell us wetin make you say, wetin make you call for inside this issue then. Tell us wetin you know say yes, we go fit carry us forward, make the youth get peace for the land about Fulani men. Wetin make Nigeria dey get problem every time. Then now we dey discuss here now.
Okay, but the Fulani men, man.
Yeah.
What's they do for the Fulani men? As I say, we don't already talk, say we don't need them. So we as many place now, many places we don't hear about all those people. We would pity them. Even the people who is here, even the station put in here things. So the way the people are not take the rate their people. And when they go come up for the village.
Okay.
So now we have to pray for because you know say that's another. So I say
I beg if una no dey hear our brother well, make una write and come as soon as no dey hear wetin dey talk so that we go fit do another way so that everybody go dey hear am.
Okay, no problem, pa.
So carry on.
Hello?
Oga boss, carry on. Let's say there's too much noise here. So, make I show now this video where I say I want to show now. And then this is how we really work and this is how we really do. So, the reality of it, now be this, we don't need to overlook nothing against this Fulani men because this raping our people, cut their hand, cut their leg. How we can they live this kind of life? How we go can they live this kind of life? No, you understand? So I want me una.
Are not being carried out by headsmen.
Okay.
The killings, the mass murders, the genocide,
make una observe this word oh, everything where this
in
man
Benue
talk.
State, in Adamawa State, in Taraba State, in Enugu State, in Abia State, in Ogun State, in Oyo State, Ondo State, across board, Southern Kaduna, in Adamawa, everywhere, across the country. Those crimes and criminalities are not being perpetrated by headsmen. They are being perpetrated by organized, ethnic cleansing mechanism orchestrated by nomadic ethnic militias, aka Miyetti Allah, whose life patron is the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, General Muhammadu Buhari.
Okay.
To that extent, it is a blackmail to call them herdsmen.
Okay.
They are criminals. They are terrorists. And the unfortunate thing is that we have a president, we have a government, we have an administration.
You are welcome, my brother.
That clearly not only allows, but also encourages and equips, allegedly, these criminals. So, what we are having is not herdsmen farmers clash. whole villages and towns and local governments are being overrun, are being marauded, are being looted, are being destroyed by these nomadic terrorists.
And one more take
And
time.
it's a clear case
very well
of a deliberate policy of ethnic cleansing. You know, this, if we don't quickly find a way, the means to stem the tide, to destroy this onslaught, we are looking, what is staring us in the face is another Rwanda, is another Burundi. So clearly, that is that. It's not something you can just dismiss. You can just dismiss as the shameless IGP did, calling it a Komula clash. And that is because, according to the governor of Benue State, it is because the security, from the presidency down, including all the security agencies, military and paramilitary, know the perpetrators of this crime. Like they know, they are aware of the sponsors of Boko Haram, that nothing has been done about them to date. Like this government understands and knows the architecture of corruption and terrorism in this country, but has refused to do the needful to stem the tide by being gloves in hand. You know, everything that Buhari promised to fight is promoting. So, it's very clear. He promised to fight corruption. He is celebrating corruption. Okay. If it's not, where did his son get 5 million naira to buy a power bike? If it's not, why does he have a chief of army staff that has properties in Dubai? If he's not celebrating corruption, why should he have an internal affairs minister, a retired general, who has houses in New York? So, he's not fighting corruption. He's promoting corruption. You know, Miyetti Allah is a privileged terrorist organization in Nigeria. Miyetti Allah is a privileged terrorist organization in Nigeria. Let's be very clear about that. The president protects those that he believes do his bidding. Okay. That is why the former secretary to the government of the federation accused the grass cutter, the grass shopper, who is alleged to have committed multi-million naira fraud, is working free. This was a man who stole money belonging to people that are under terrible pressure, internally displaced people, internally displaced persons. You didn't find any money to steal in Nigeria. You stole. I mean, that is what they have been doing from pre-independence to date. They rob the poor to enrich themselves. And that's why they die of cancer. That's why they die of all manner of terrible diseases. That's why their children are having accidents. That's why they are.
I just say, the area when I want to make una listen, I be that one. Una see why we all come to fight ourselves, they get problem. Now be that area now I want me una listen to. You see this Buhari, President Buhari of a team, where they talk about.